Whether you're sprinting for a bus or just, breathing, your body is always in motion. So today, we're going to take a look under the hood at the incredible engines that make all of that possible, our muscles. Let's dive in.
Seriously, have you ever stopped to think about it? Every jump you make, every bite of food you digest, every single beat of your heart, it's all being powered by this incredibly sophisticated internal system. So, what's the secret? What's really driving all of this constant activity?
Well, believe it or not, the answer boils down to one simple number: 3. That's right. Your entire body runs on just 3 different types of muscle tissue. Each one has a very specific job, and they all work together to keep you, well, you.
All right, so let's get to it. Let's meet these 3 fundamental movers and figure out what makes each one so unique and so perfect for its job. First up, let's start with the muscles you already know and love, the ones you actually think about using. We're talking about skeletal muscle.
These are your get-up-and-go muscles. Anytime you decide to pick something up, or kick a ball, or even just smile for a photo, you are firing up your skeletal muscles. They're attached to your skeleton, obviously, and they're responsible for every single voluntary action you take. And here's a key point: they can repair themselves. That's why when you strain your bicep at the gym, it actually heals over time.
Okay, next, we're going to go a little deeper inside the body to meet the automatic workers, the smooth muscles. These guys operate completely behind the scenes, no thought required.
You'll find smooth muscle lining the walls of your internal organs, like your stomach and your intestines. They're the ones churning your food right now, helping you digest. They're what helps control your airflow when you breathe. You don't have to think about any of it. It just happens. This is your body's automatic maintenance crew working 24/7.
And check this out. This is where biology gets really elegant. See that shape? They're called spindle-shaped cells. That's not an accident. That design is absolutely perfect because it lets the cells slide past each other, which creates this gentle wave-like motion. And that motion is exactly what's needed to push food through your digestive system. It's just an amazing piece of biological engineering.
So for our final stop, we're visiting the most specialized, most unique muscle in the entire body, cardiac muscle. We're getting to the heart of the matter, literally.
Now, this muscle is a true specialist. You will only find it in one place, your heart. Just like smooth muscle, it's involuntary. Thankfully, you don't have to consciously remember to make your heart beat. But here is the critical life or death difference. It has almost zero ability to regenerate. And that single fact has some massive implications for our health.
So there you have it, our 3 amazing tissues. Now let's put them side by side and really see how they stack up against each other.
When you boil it all down, the single biggest difference really is about control. Our ability to command our skeletal muscles is what gives us power and lets us interact with the world. At the same time, the automatic, non-stop work of our smooth and cardiac muscles keeps all our internal systems running like clockwork, which frees us up to just live.
This chart puts it all together in one nice, neat package. You've got skeletal muscles attached to our bones, completely under our command. You've got smooth muscles inside our organs, working automatically. And you've got cardiac muscle, found only in the heart, also working automatically. 3 very different tissues, each one playing an absolutely vital and unique role.
And let's just circle back to that really crucial point about healing. I mean, the source material says it perfectly. The fact that cardiac muscle has little to no regenerative ability is exactly why damage from something like a heart attack is so devastating and often permanent. It really shows you just how specialized, and in some ways, how fragile this incredible tissue is.
Which brings us to a final and pretty powerful question to think about. Our bodies are amazing healing machines in so many ways, but this one key difference between muscle types shows us a fundamental trade-off in our own biology. If a torn bicep can heal, why can't a damaged heart? It's definitely something worth pondering. Thanks for joining me on this tour of our amazing muscles.